So this is the steering wheel off the Sears. It was sturdy until I flipped it a couple days ago upside down. So now it looks like this. I have it clamped to the table here because I can't hold it down, but when it's on the tractor it does this when I'm trying to steer. That's just great, and I'm barely doing that. Something broken. And the only spare steering wheel I have is this, and it looks freaking retarded. Who would want that? It won't even fit. The couplings aren't even the same. So, I got this great idea that I've seen before of doing when I have chain. I've made stuff out of chain before. Alright, this is my setup here in order to weld it up. The steering wheel was bent, so I just took a measurement from here to here, which was about 13, actually right on the dot, and then from here to here, which was 13 and a half, because it looked a little bent, because it's been wiggling around a lot. So I just found something around here that was circular and that was close to 13, and this bar stool was actually dead on, shockingly. So what I did is I took this piece of wood, and I was originally going to wire staple it to the table here and then take this out, but I don't really give a shit about the chair here, so I'm just going to tack weld it and all the way around, then take the chair out, then here where I didn't complete the link, the very last one, because I wanted this really tight, so I took a zip tie and pulled these links tight, so every other link is as tight as it can go. So once I get everything else tack welded, then I'll cut this, redo that, and see what happens. Then I gotta add the center pieces and find another piece of stocker on here for the steering column. Do a little welding here. I'm just tack welding it here until I can take this off and I can get all the way around every length of it. Chrome on there, it's getting a little hard to weld here, and I know you guys don't want to see me weld every single link, so I'm just gonna cut it out, do another half, and then go back. I got it all welded up here. It's still a little bit loose because I've only tacked one side on each link, but can't really move it still. I got it perfectly in a circle, so I'm gonna continue welding it here and see what happens. Now that I got the other part all done and everything's mostly cleaned up for now, I'm going to clean everything up once everything is welded and completed here. But now of course I gotta have something like this with a centerpiece and the bar going down to the steering column like this. I can't use this one because that's partially what's broken, along with the rest of it's here. So ow. Oh, shit. Alright, well, I have to cut it off there because there's a little bit welded from what I use this pipe off from. Of course, I'll clean it up. Ow. Put it back in here. Down the vise. Ow. I'm doing this blind, by the way. Mask's right there. Gotta do this side here. Alright, this is the almost done product. Old steering wheel, new steering wheel. This is just like a primer to clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna paint it some sort of color, maybe black or red. Alright, it's all painted up, ready to just go mount on the tractor. Use this wonderful Tractor Supply black paint. I normally never buy Tractor Supply paint because it tends to be crap, but shockingly it actually came out pretty good.